Big Brother UK 2023 is here. Okay, just a quick recap. It's only early days. It's only just started. But they have mishmashed the cast. People from different walks of life. It's going to be exciting, I should say. We have seen some of the personalities already. Some good, some questionable, some funny. But hey, that's life. The people who stood up for me were... Well, Jenkins had it bad the first day. No hot showers, I had to make breakfast, no suitcase, and he was in a bit of a low mood, but hey. But yeah, that was a funny start for Jenkins. And then Olivia. I think a few people are mad at her. They didn't give the girl a chance. Imagine if this whole cast didn't have anyone like Olivia. I think it would be boring. I think she brings something into it. She brings the drama. And the whole point of watching something like that is for the drama, really. Do you really want to just watch people sitting down and having a conversation every single day? It would be dead boring. So she brings out the drama. So, you know, she's one to watch. I don't dislike her. I can't understand some of the things she says. She speaks very fast, but I do really like her. She's a pretty girl as well. So let's see what more drama she brings. Salmon Gate. I think that's just a clash of culture, the salmon bit. Because if you think of it, Farida, I don't think she thought anything of it. It was normal for her to just grab her spoon, dip it in Olivia's plate and eat, and then dip it again and eat. For her, it's okay. You know, I've been in cultures back home in Africa where you eat from the same plate and it's never a problem, though I personally don't like it. You see, if it goes in your mouth, it should not come back in my plate, on my plate. I do not like an exchange of saliva unless it's someone I'm in love with. Harry, I think she has a game plan. I think she knows that she has to be liked to stay. So she's going to play on she's going to, you know, do the people-pleasing thing. She looks lovely, but I think she's going to go the extra mile with the people-pleasing thing just to stay. So let's see what her game plan is. Henry the Tory, Henry the Royalist. I think I like Henry. I don't know why, but I like him. He's a bit different, but I think in a funny way. And I think he will cause a lot of clashes in the house too. But let's see how it goes. Paul looks like the life of the party. I don't know. I think he's going to get with one of the girls and all that. But let's see how it goes. I haven't got much from him yet. I know it's too early to... Matty the Doctor. I'm not sure about Matty. Matty is someone who I would like to go to a concert with. He looks like he'd be a lot of fun. You know, he looks like he'd be the one performing at the concert, by the way. He looks like that kind of guy. And he looks like, to me, almost like he's stuck in the 80s. You know, would I want him to treat me as a doctor? I don't know. I'm not sure about that. But yeah, he looks like a lot of fun. Let's see how it goes. Noki, Miss Universe UK. Beautiful, beautiful girl. I can't tell anything about her character at the moment. I've not picked up anything. All I can say is beautiful girl. Let's see what comes out. Dylan the DJ. He was a bit upset when he wasn't picked as the most entertaining because he considers himself funny and entertaining. And yeah, let's see how it goes. I don't know yet what his character is, but he just seems like a nice guy. Chanel. See, I'm not a fan, I think, already. I didn't like it when she was having a go at the other guy because he picked her as not being the most kind and she took offense to it. And she was having a go. I mean, he had to pick someone. Like, the whole game show that they were doing, somebody had to be picked as the least and to actually take it out on him and say, oh, why would you choose me? And da-da-da. That just rubbed me off the wrong way. I just thought, stop whinging. It's a game. Yeah. She wanted silence during breakfast. How would you want silence around grown-ups? 15 other grown-ups who... Oh, let's see how it goes. I'm not a fan. Then there's Zach. I think he's a nice guy. I think a lot of... You know, I'm not sure I've picked up on his personality yet, but let's see. Jordan, the Downton Abbey wannabe. I actually like Jordan. He tries to be very, very posh, which he's not. He's just pretending to be posh. And I don't know. I just find him very funny. Let's see. I think it's him and Henry, them two, that duo, it's gonna cause a lot of problems. But let's see how it goes. Yinren, she just looks like lovely girl you just want to hang out with, give her a hug, you know. Let's see how it goes. She was not happy that she was not entertaining. She was picked as one of the least entertaining. And she got a bit butthurt about that. And she was like, what can I do to be more entertaining? But just be, you know, Henry was right. Just be yourself. You don't have to go out of your way to be entertaining. That's when you become not authentic, I guess. Trish. I love Trish. I've seen so much of her character already. She's blending in with people, having a good time, and she's that have a good time kind of girl. I feel like I can go out with this girl and have a blast. Yeah. And I think she's one to watch as well. She's really good. Yeah, I'm a fan. Then there's Hallie. I'm not sure about Hallie. And she came out with a big secret, but let's see what she brings to the table. Tom, also, I don't know, something about his hair too. It just makes me feel like in, you know, a Stranger Things kind of hairdo. But yeah, he looks like an alright guy. I don't like the fact that he's being badgered by Chanel constantly. That's not nice. She should give the boy a break. Farida, so far, seems nice. She's the one that was dipping her spoon in the salmon, Olivia's salmon, and that didn't go down well with Olivia. She doesn't know yet. So that's an issue, which she will find out. Let's see how she deals with it when she finds out. She put Trish off as well during a meeting, when they had a meeting to discuss house rules and stuff. Trish said she was acting like she is the leader, like she was acting so territorial. And Trish didn't like it, so that's two people. Yeah. A lot of drama. I don't mind drama. That's the whole point of the show. So, see you again.